Hey, guess what, man? Here's the greatest lady who sells the best insurance. Who do they call?
Me, Elena Ravel at San Kinoshita.
Okay, awesome. So, who's the fastest cook?
Man in the pan.
Right here. Okay, let's give it a big shaka. Call later now. Awesome. Okay, where's the best boba and ice cream shop? Swirly. Okay, so who's the best, fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka, everybody. Come on to Swirly. Awesome. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today, I'm going to do something really exciting. I'm going to make pork shogayaki. But before I do the pork shogayaki, you know, one of the good things that go along with pork is cabbage. You know, when you slice cabbage, don't lift up your knife. Keep your knife low and at an angle so you don't cut your finger. So I get my cabbage. I'm going to wash them. I'm going to make the sauce. About 2 tablespoons of shoyu. 1, 2. About 2 tablespoons of mirin. 1, 2. About 2 tablespoons of sake. 1, 2. 3, 4. Then about 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then you peel your ginger, okay? Take off all the skin. Got my Daiso shredder. Shred it right in here. Shoga means ginger, and you gotta use fresh ginger for this, okay? I got the pork tenderloin, but you know, this recipe here, you could use any kind of pork. It's kind of real thin. Just about 3/4 pound of this pork. You notice how I stroke the knife, eh? That's what you gotta do. You know, when you use knife, you gotta stroke them, just like this. Stroke the knife, right? You notice what I do? I stay away from the blade side so I don't cut my finger. I'm gonna grab this, I'm gonna fry it. Is you heat up the pan, and here I use this Maui Sunflower Oil. This is locally made here in Hilo. And the sunflower comes from Maui, okay? Oh, it smells so good. So I put some sunflower oil in here. Again, this is no cholesterol, right? Sunflower oil is no cholesterol, and then high omega fat, which is really good for your health. Thing is ready to go. There you go. Okay. Oh, the sunflower oil smells good. Sunflower oil is a very clean oil. Yeah. Okay, I think it's just about done. So what I do, you know that sauce that I made? Dump it all in here. You know, with all this fresh ginger and pork and shoyu and there's a lot of, they call it umami, all inside here, okay? Remember the cabbage that I shredded? I had it shredded and washed, right? I put some right like this, right on the side. Pork is done. Shut off the stove. Look at that. Pork shogayaki. Okay, the burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. Wow. The burger is so onion.